So here we are at Senai Airport. We are on our way to Brunei, and we're going via Miri, so we're going from Johor Bahru to Miri, and then we get our son's picking us up at the airport, and then we drive across the border. So, we are in Brunei with son number one, and we're in a place called Nazmul, NSB Nazmul, which is an Indian stroke everything restaurant by the look of it, and we're going to have our first meal in Brunei. First impressions are, compared to where we come from in Malaysia, it looks less crowded. The houses seem spread out. Life seems a bit less stressful, a bit slower. Yeah. Anyway, welcome to Brunei. We're here for a week, all being well. Longer if they don't let us back into Malaysia. And so in that grass, that thing there, you can see it moving. There you go. I love them. I think they're beautiful little things. Sadly, in Malaysia, they tend to be run over more than anything. They're like the badgers of Malaysia. Badgers get run over all the time in England. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to walk to the beach and we're going to have a look at the beach. I don't think it's just like some Caribbean beach. I don't think the water's going to be any like blue. But so what? In the sea view hotel, and we actually have a sea view. This is the sea view hotel, and this is the sea that we view. So let's talk about Brunei. So what do we know about Brunei? Other than all the recent brouhaha about stoning gays and certain celebrities deciding they're not going to go in those hotels that I've never been able to go into anyway. What can I say about this place so far? Let's go and have a look at the beach, that's what I'm going to say. Look, the thing is, I do a lot of political talking and I cut most of it because no one really cares or wants to hear it.
$75, sir. 5, 6, 7, 5, and 6.
Brilliant, thank you very much. Thank you. Let me say. Okay, so it's coffee time. Jollibee? Yeah. Filipina, for sure. Obviously. Yep, you love it. Yes. I might as well be on YouTube then. Say hello. Yeah. You have fun?
We'll go back in the Philippines tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Just a quick one. Take care. Bye bye. Jollibee. The Filipinos' favourite is here in Brunei, and we're going to have it. I haven't had it for a long time. Chicken. Just get me a chicken
burger, please.
Chicken burger, fries and drink.
Yeah, and one of these.
I'll have a...
And the drinks, I'll have the lemon iced tea, and you want an orange juice?
Orange juice, yeah.
Orange juice.
I'll have the chicken burger set, thank you. You're paying?
Yes.
Okay. So let's look at Jollibee in Brunei. For all of those you in the Philippines, you don't have to go without. We have the Jollibee. It's all the real favourite Jollibee stuff. Hello ladies. There you go. YouTube.
What is your YouTube?
Silver Fox JB. Okay, I need all the love I can get, so go on there. Thank you. Right, you carrying or want me to carry? Okay. Hey!
Float as you got the hill.
And then like per hour.
Right, so it's Jollibee time. We've just been chomping on the fries. Are they good fries, Tilly?
Salty.
Salty fries are okay. And here's my burger, which is wrapped up in plastic for some reason. There you go. For those of you in the West, Jollibee is super famous in Philippines. They're everywhere. Haven't had one for a long time. Okay. So, Kentucky Fried Chicken in Malaysia is awful. Not like lovely English fried chicken. Jollibee chicken burger. Actually, sorry, bit there. Try all my friends in the Philippines, but it's a bit meh.
Talk about Bear Grylls and Cody Bay.
Bear Grylls and Cody Bay?
However,
Oh, really hot.
what's the other colour?
Jesus Christ. Shit. That's the hottest bun ever. I advise you all to get in there now while they're still super hot.
Can you pass me one, please?
Hot today, really hot.
I'm already better than
Okay. A place called the Buccaneer in, what's this place called? Kuala Belait. Kuala Belait. KB. And that's it for sure.
Can you get some more buns?
No. You fill yourself up before you've had the food. So the food has arrived. Here's my avocado and prawns. What you got, baby?
I've got leg of lamb, but it's not leg of lamb, it's lamb leg with minced gravy.
What's cooking?
Mixed grill.
So Belait will be good,
And then Dave has got
the Bajajay. Obviously, it's awesome. Hit that like and subscribe button.